How to make passive income with ChatGPT and Mid-journey.
You have seen people selling bedtime storybooks on Amazon. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can make your own storybooks from which you can make passive income. This video will contain valuable information you will not find anywhere. The software I'll be using in this video has its link in the description. Okay, to create a storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. You can take screenshot of the prompts by pausing the video. So I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a title of storybook. Okay, so I like this one. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT what is the story about. Now I'll ask age range. Now I'll type create the chapters outline. So it has generated chapters outline and the scenes included in the chapters. Now I will simply copy the chapter 1 and write rhythm stories and generate. Now I will do this for every chapter. Chapter 2 under the sea. Enter. After doing it for all the chapters, we'll have a complete storybook. But the storybook won't be good enough without illustration. So let's make illustration. First of all, go to Discord. You can click the link in the description. You can use Mid-journey and Blue Willow to create images. Mid-journey is paid, but if you have a subscription, you can follow the same process. I have made a video on how you can create a Blue Willow account completely for free. Link is in the description. You can watch the video from there and follow the same process. So I'll go to the chapter page outline. I'll copy the outline. Now I'll go to Discord. I'm creating the images in Blue Willow. It's completely for free by using the link in the description. I'll write /imagine. I'll add my prompt. I copy it from there and press enter. And it will create free images for me. Okay, so it has created the images. By pressing U1, U2, U3 and U4, you can upscale the images. And by pressing V1, V2, V3 or V4, you can create new variation. So I like the first image, so I'll click on U1 and it will upscale the image. To save the image, click on the image, then click on open image in new tab, and from here you can save the image. Okay, so now we'll create second image. We will right click and copy the image link. Now we will enter /imagine, paste the link here. Now copy the second outline and paste it here and press enter. This is how you can create images for every outline. Now you will go to canva.com and search storybook. Here you can import your images. Okay, so after uploading the images, I'll edit the storybook. I'll copy the text from here and paste it here. I can change the font. I'll change the color. You can do this for all the chapters and save it. Download it. Download. This is how you can make passive income with ChatGPT, Mid-journey, Blue Willow, and Canva. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.